I've got myself a caramel flat white and I've come here to read for a bit after breakfast while I wait for my parents. Another gorgeous sunny day in Funchal. The difference today is there isn't the same wind that there was yesterday, so it actually feels warmer even though it's a few degrees cooler. This is a tourist shop in Funchal where you can buy your hats, your t-shirts, your postcards and your religious icons. We're heading back along the promenade to go and have another look at the Christmas market by daylight. This is the Christmas market by day, and as you can see it's much quieter. A very different experience to last night, but still lovely. Might actually be able to get you a close-up of some of the stalls, which I could not get for you last night because there were too many people in the way. Like this one, chocolate. Not all of them are open, of course. Didn't realise it last night, but the reason there are angel lights outside is because this is a church. Just wanted to film this petit patisserie because I think it is super cute, but we aren't going to go in. However, I think it does look tempting. Just exploring some of the little streets around Funchal. We have reached the main shopping area. Just crossing this street at that crossing, and there was a girl on a bike with, I guess, her boyfriend, and as she passed she just shouted, "Love your hair," and her hair was blue. We came across this undercover market, so we decided to go in and have a look. It was on 2 levels, but it was so busy we didn't go up to the second floor. I don't think it was really a tourist attraction type of market. It mainly sold produce like fruit, veg, flowers and fish. I think we've got here at the tail end of it from the looks of things. Not sure if this is a traditional Madeiran doorway. Wonder if I could do my front door like this. And of course, it's a duck store. I'm kind of filming these quickly because the street is not pedestrianised. And I keep having to jump out of the way so I don't get run over, and I don't want me doing touristy things to interfere with the lives of people who actually live here. I think this is the door decor that I might like the best. Even the ducks are more colourful over here. No. Look at them just peeping over the top, Mum. How adorable. Do you see their little faces? Back from Funchal, had lunch and on my way to the sunbed. My sun lounger is right next to this chap. Funchal. And that is my sunbed. It's so sunny, I literally cannot see what is on my phone screen right now, but hopefully I'm in shot. This might be the only sunbathing I get to do. I was able to sunbathe a bit on the first day. The at-sea day and yesterday were too cold, so I'm trying to make the most of today. I've got a Diet Coke, and because it's quite a long walk to the bar, I got a can of Diet 7-Up as well. And I might actually finish reading my book, which is different to my usual thrillers, but it makes a nice change of pace. It's too hot for me to sunbathe, so I've been in, I've showered, I've left my parents baking in the sun, and I'm going to get some ice cream from Scoops. One scoop of caramel and one scoop of banana caramel. I wanted to try the ice cream before I left Scoops in case it melted. So the captain was doing the announcement because we are shortly casting off and heading from Madeira back to the Canaries, but I'm down here in exactly the same seat that I was this morning, ocean view, and I've got my ice cream here. I wish I could film while I'm tasting this, but I can't because there's nowhere to put my phone. So I'm having these instead of dessert tonight because I just fancied it. This is not part of the all-inclusive deal, so I did have to pay for it, but the prices were really reasonable. I couldn't get a proper shot of all the flavour titles because there was actually a queue in front of me and they were all waiting for ice cream cones, but because I wanted a tub, I got taken because I think someone had gone to fetch more cones. So I'm going to eat this and yeah, enjoy the view while we set sail. The banana caramel has a lovely banana taste, and the caramel is quite subtle, making it creamy and sweet. And this one's the caramel. It's not salted caramel, which I think is actually quite nice because it's nice to find a caramel ice cream that isn't salted. And it's just got a lovely creamy sweet caramel taste. Absolutely delicious, and it's probably just as well I didn't try Scoops until now, or I would have been having it all week. I've got 2 more chances. I mean, I could have more than 1 serving a day, but I'm going to pace myself because I do have to pay for it. So this is me dressed for dinner. We are going to latitude 53 again because that's somewhere that has a different menu every single night. So yeah, that's really all there is to say. I need to go and meet my parents at the bar for a drink. I want a raspberry colada. So here is today's menu. So this is a lemon sole. Now, I don't like prawns, but I think it's more the appearance of them, not the actual flavour. At least that's what I'm hoping. Tonight's dessert menu, although I had my ice cream earlier, so I'm not actually having a dessert, but I thought I'd show you guys anyway. So this is the blueberry croissant, which looks and smells amazing, but sadly it's Dad's. Mum has got the homemade apple pie and vanilla ice cream, which also looks amazing. Tonight's towel creation is an elephant. Come for another show. I'm on the soda water and lime just now. I'll be honest, I haven't heard of this guy, but I heard him rehearsing and he can sing.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. When it's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. Fish in the sea, you know how I feel. River running free, you know how I feel. Blossom on the tree, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good. I did get the right place this evening. Now at the top of the show, I mentioned musical theatre. Give me a cheer if you are a fan of musical theatre. Fantastic. Now at this point, as you can tell, I like to interact with the audience. So I'm going to give you a couple of clues. Feel free to shout out if you think you know the answer. You don't win anything, just the fact of getting it right. So clue number one. This musical was first premiered in London's West End at the Barbican Theatre in 1985. I was one. At the back, sir. Shout out, nice and Les Miserables. Absolutely, got it in one. I have to tell you, I was on another brand actually, and we'd already sussed it out after clue number one, and we went on. I said, clue number two is it's set in the French Revolution, and clue number three, it was turned into an Oscar award-winning film. This gentleman was still shouting out "Cat" and Marella.
He was quite good, so I'm getting a hot chocolate and then I'm off to my cabin. So tonight I said yes to the whipped cream on my hot chocolate because tomorrow is my birthday, so why not start my celebration early? I am looking forward to my birthday, but at the same time it's also a reminder of another year being single and on my own. But you know what? I can still enjoy myself. And I don't have to share any of my ice cream or chocolate. There's always a plus side. I'm going to end the Funchal section of the vlog here. We are on our way to Santa Cruz de la Palma, so that is where I will be seeing you tomorrow. Take care, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.